Mastering English, A Journey to Fluency. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a complete guide on how to become fluent in English. Whether you're just beginning or looking to polish your skills, these steps will help you move forward with confidence and make English a natural part of your everyday life. Let's start by understanding that English fluency doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey where you build skills in a balanced way, focusing on the core elements: speaking, listening, reading, writing, and a powerful technique known as shadowing. If you follow these steps and methods, you'll feel more comfortable and fluent in English, day by day. So, grab a notebook, relax, and let's begin. 1. Speaking. The art of expression. Speaking is essential. It's how we connect with others and put our knowledge to the test. But I know speaking can feel intimidating at first, especially if you're not confident with your vocabulary or pronunciation. Here's a step-by-step guide to ease into it. Start small. Begin by talking to yourself. Describe what you're doing throughout the day. For example, I'm making coffee, or I'm going for a walk. This helps train your mind to think in English. Find a speaking partner. If possible, find a friend or join a language exchange group where you can practice with a native speaker. The goal isn't to be perfect, but to gain confidence. Use mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. This technique lets you focus on your facial expressions and pronunciation, building self-awareness and self-confidence. Record yourself. Recording and listening to yourself will help you notice areas where you need improvement, like pronunciation or fluency. Over time, you'll hear your progress and feel encouraged to keep going. 2. Listening. The key to natural understanding. Listening is just as important as speaking. It's how we train our ears to understand native speakers and pick up new vocabulary. Here's how you can make listening part of your routine. Immerse yourself in English. Watch English shows, movies, or listen to English podcasts. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Even just hearing the rhythm and tone of English will help you over time. Active listening. Instead of just listening, try to focus on every word and sentence. Pause and repeat parts you don't understand, and even try to guess what they mean. Shows with subtitles can be helpful here. Listen to different accents. English has many accents. Try listening to American, British, Australian, and even Indian English to get comfortable with different sounds. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is a powerful listening method. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly as you heard it. Focusing on rhythm and tone. It's one of the fastest ways to sound like a native speaker. 3. Reading. Expanding your vocabulary and understanding. Reading isn't just about understanding text. It builds your vocabulary, grammar, and understanding of context. Here's how to make reading work for you. Start with simple texts. Read materials that suit your level, like children's books, news articles, or even short stories. Gradually move up to more complex material as you improve. Look up new words. Keep a vocabulary journal. When you encounter new words, look them up. Write down the definitions and try to use them in a sentence. The more often you do this, the more words you'll remember. Read aloud. This helps you improve both your reading and speaking skills. When you read aloud, you practice pronunciation and get used to the flow of English sentences. Summarize what you've read. After finishing a page or chapter, Try to summarize it out loud or in writing. This practice boosts comprehension and makes sure you've understood the main points. 4. Writing, your tool for clear communication. Writing is essential because it lets you organize your thoughts and build stronger language skills. Here are some helpful practices. Write a daily journal. Write a few sentences about your day. Don't worry about grammar, just focus on expressing your thoughts. This habit will build your comfort with writing and help you learn new vocabulary. Learn sentence patterns. English has many common sentence patterns. Try practicing with patterns like subject, verb, object. I like because, or I went to. These will help you create sentences naturally. Try creative writing. Write stories, poems, or even imaginary conversations. This not only improves your grammar and vocabulary, but also makes learning more fun. Ask for feedback. If you have a teacher, mentor, or language partner, ask them to review your writing. Constructive feedback will help you learn and avoid repeated mistakes. 5. Shadowing. Mimic like a native speaker. Shadowing is one of the most effective methods for pronunciation and fluency. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose audio you like. Select a podcast, TED Talk, or any audio that you enjoy. It's easier to shadow content you find interesting. Break it down. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly as you heard it. Try to match the tone, speed, and pronunciation. Practice every day. Consistency is key. Shadow for just 10 to 15 minutes each day to build your accent, rhythm, and fluency. Record your shadowing sessions. This lets you compare your pronunciation with the original audio, helping you notice areas for improvement. 6. Methods to stay consistent and motivated. Fluency requires patience and practice. Here are some methods to keep you motivated. Set small goals. Set daily or weekly goals, like learning 5 new words a day or speaking with someone in English once a week. Small goals make it easy to stay consistent. Track your progress. Keep a language journal or use an app to track your progress. Celebrate small wins, like understanding a full conversation or reading a chapter without a dictionary. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change the language on your phone, read in English, or watch English content regularly. The more you interact with English, the more natural it will feel. Stay positive and be patient. Language learning is challenging, but remember to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering English. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process, be kind to yourself, and enjoy every step forward. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. I believe in you, and I'm here to support you along the way. Let's make English an exciting part of our lives together. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, happy learning.